stop pretending that I wanted this to happen. I could just say it, say how I feel now, but my tongue is like a wall, keeping words safe in my heart. I can never say that, but I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good.
What's up, you guys? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty here at WrapSesh.
What's up, guys?
Today we're going to be doing a carbon fiber stripe kit. So we're going to kind of go over how we make our stripe kits. A lot of shops will do them plotted, so by design on the computer, and then cut them out on their machines. Most of the times we do ours by hand for a few different reasons. One, getting around different edges like this. If you have like two parallel stripes, once you go around a bumper or a complex surface, a lot of times those stripes are going to warp a little bit or try to cross into each other, and they're not perfectly parallel anymore. So most of the time, like with this one, we're doing a double. We're doing a double stripe kit, bumper to bumper is what I meant to say. So with this one, we just do it all by hand. Some people might cut the hood and roof and trunk or something, but we like to do it this way most of the time. And yeah, so we're gonna use 3M knifeless tape. Basically the way we start out, we're not gonna show you, but we'll find center of the car. So we'll make sure that we're both measuring off the same points of the car and mark our center point. So basically whatever that measurement is divided by 2, and that's your center. We'll mark it with a wax pencil and make a few different marks on each panel, and then that's our center line. And from there we can measure out like an inch or whatever we want the gapping to be, and just measure everything. So it's all by numbers, and the best rule of thumb is to measure twice, cut once. So make sure you double check everything, make sure it looks good by eye. We were going to try to demonstrate using a laser level in this episode, but the laser, so the laser that we got broke, or you couldn't see it enough on the color of this car.
I had a laser that worked really well, and then I went and got another one just for this, but it doesn't work as well.
So we're gonna just jump right in and do some demonstrations showing you guys how we lay that knifeless tape, pull the stripe and everything, and then we'll show you the finished product at the very end.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Yeah, you know what I've done in the past. Still you say you and I, we can...
What's up, guys? So today we have this little Hellcat in here. Not so little. We're doing a little double stripe, easy, simple double stripe all the way bumper to bumper. But I kind of wanted to show the process I do on these stripe kits, because a lot of the times when you're installing stripe kits, or if, say you got a kit off the internet or whatever, it's already pre-cut. When you're coming off like a hood onto a bumper that is a curved surface, it really creates a kind of a difficult thing for you, because it's trying to veer out. And so if you have a perfectly cut straight line that's trying to go over a curved surface, it's going to want to either bow on you or flex or go somewhere else, because you're trying to go over this, under here, under here, and then you're going to cut that, and it's probably going to end up looking off a little bit. And I've had multiple different experiences doing kits. So what I like to do is create my own. I always say I like to create my own stripe kits just with knifeless, because then you can actually get those perfectly straight lines, and you can just install it with a large piece of bulk film, and that way you get it down where you need to be, and it's not going to stretch on you or anything like that. So for these bumpers, What I usually use is a level. So I use a laser level. This is kind of a little cheap one. I would recommend using a green one, a green laser. You can pick them up at Home Depot, wherever, Ace Hardware, stuff like that. But you can get those self-leveling crosshair lasers, and those work amazing because you can literally set the laser up in front of the car, line the laser up with your stripe. Say you already did the hood, you know, you already have that hood stripe ready, already laid. You line the laser up with that hood stripe and it goes all the way down the front of the bumper. And so then you can literally make your marks, make your tick marks, do the other side, lay your line, and there's your perfectly straight line without any measurements whatsoever, having to, you know, measure all the way from here, measure here. It saves a lot of time using a laser level.
Yeah, you know what I've done in the past. Still you say you and I, we can last. I have found new ways, but no, can that be the one that you need? Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can that be the
Thank you guys so much for watching this week. Make sure to keep up on our daily fun at WrapSesh AZ and Vinyl Vixen Wraps on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget, we just started our new platform on Twitch, which is live streaming, where we do live time wrap demos, interactive Q&As, things like that. So if you guys are installers and you want to learn more from us or get more into the training and tutorial side of our video content, check that out and follow us. We are just getting started and we're trying to do a once a week thing right now. That's at twitch.tv/WrapSesh. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the WrapSesh vibe. See you next week.
Later. Hello. All right. Well, hello there. Well, hello there. Welcome to Slim Shady's super secret sauce. I don't even remember. All right. Ready?
Yeah, I'm all set.
All right.
We're rolling here.
Oh.
This is all blooper reel.